My love for building started at a young age. I'm Ashton Clayton, Managing Director of Clayster Construction, born and bred in Atlantis, and I love this place.
My name is Daud Hendricks. I'm one of the small enterprises in Atlantis, in the building sector and infrastructure development.
Being in the construction sector, yeah, it's very challenging. As a little business, you look at all those big companies and like, how am I going to make it there? But one thing that we figured out is learn from them. Lesedi took us by the hand and said, okay, we will help you grow.
Our strategic goal is to ensure that we empower small SMEs, Black-owned entities, and that's how we'll also transform the supply chain. You know, give small businesses an opportunity because the small business, they create more jobs.
Lesedi was one of the companies that reached out and they felt the pain of small, medium, micro enterprise development and also how can they transform the small businesses of Atlantis.
Currently, we had partnered with the ESD in Atlantis, and they have developed an incubation program where they take SMEs through a program.
They took us on a journey as to how you as a business owner take your company from nothing and being competitive and being ready. So when you apply for funding and when you get these big projects, as to making sure your paperwork is in line and what sort of skills you need in there. That helped me.
And out of those who participated, we now have about 4 SMEs who are working directly with Lesedi. So not only have they gone through the actual training, not only have they received funding, we have enterprise development agreements with them for 3 years.
It opened a lot of doors, and today I'm part of a Lesedi development, which is Atlantis Solar Plant project, which is the biggest contract that we currently have.
Clayster Construction started as an enterprise development beneficiary, went through the ACZ program. When he moved on to side, he had a staff complement of 8. He currently now has 26 people.
We made it on the billboard, and walking here as a small business, I can tap myself and say, yes, today I'm living my dream.
We also have Zaliodex. They're now a contractor on our solar project as well. They're doing our fencing. And we've been holding his hand throughout the process to help him to succeed so that we ultimately succeed.
Yeah, I can say with Zaliodex, we've learned a lot. We've gained a lot of experience. We've received a lot of assistance. Zaliodex is currently also busy with the project at the Atlantis Special Economic Zone, where we were doing the infrastructure of stormwater reticulation, electrical sleeves and ducts.
This is how we'll drive the economy of South Africa. So it's really imperative for us that when we walk away from Atlantis community, we can say the community is self-reliant, self-sustained, whether through the education that we have funded, whether through the CSI projects that we have funded, but more so through the businesses, because we know we have created more jobs for the people of Atlantis.
I can see their heart is there to develop us as the local community, small, medium, micro enterprises of Atlantis.
For Atlantis itself, there's a lot of dreams. And if I can unlock a few dreams, I want to be part of that. And that is all because of Lesedi saying we are here to help small businesses developing.